Yo, what is up, YouTube? What is good? I'm finally back again for another unboxing slash review. You should already know by the title what this is. And of course, you know, last month was a little bit slow, so pardon my little bit of a hiatus. You know, February is a bit of a dry month for us here in the SB world. I mean, that's what I try to focus on, is SBs, but you guys should already know, last month was pretty dry. Only things that really dropped last month was the Muni SBs. I mean, I guess there were some other SBs that came out, but nothing really that, as far as SB dunks, that I like to be more particular on. Only really things was the Muni SB and the Costco dunks, which was that January or February? Might have been January, but anyways, that's kind of really the last kind of two drops that really mattered to me. But you know, everyone knows with the Costco's how hard those were, and same with these were pretty much an issue for a lot of people that I've been seeing. A lot of people have been having issues trying to get these in hand. They were saying a lot of the shipments on these shoes were delayed from the bad weather that we had a couple weeks ago. And still, I haven't seen nothing land, so I don't know what else is the delay. But from what I've been seeing, no one really around me, as far as locally, got these. Because there's like two skate shops that I like to go to. It's either PLA or my other main shop, Good Times. None of those seem to have gotten the Munis in, so. And I also did hit up my local skate shop and asked them if they were getting these in, and he said no. So, I mean, I feel like these were kind of a little bit of a issue to get, or kind of hard to get. Kind of same thing with the Costco's. Yeah, the Costco's releasing, the closest to me was San Francisco, which I kind of found out the day of. Of course, everyone did. And I didn't find out until pretty much in the afternoon that they were going to drop in San Francisco, and it was already too late. And you know, San Francisco is like 2.5 hours away from me, so you know, I wasn't going to jump in the car to go stand in the back of the line and get nothing. But anyway, same with these two. These dropped in San Francisco as well. I forgot what skate shop it was, but I know they did do a drop in San Francisco for the Muni SB, which I believe was on the 6th. But, you know, they seem to only dropped over there. I didn't really see them drop anywhere else. And from what I seen, it doesn't seem to be that really many pairs of these out there, because I did check on eBay, which there was only like a couple sellers with these. And one was like in Japan, and then these I got on StockX. So these actually did ship from the Netherlands, which is kind of crazy. They left Amsterdam, which I think StockX has a you know, facility out there in Amsterdam, I guess, because that's where they got sent to, and then they got shipped to me. And which is crazy is that they actually took longer to get from the seller to StockX than it did from the Netherlands, which is like outside of Amsterdam. Came here like in 2 days, which is crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be possible, but they're here. They're here, and it's finally gonna be unboxing time. This is gonna be my first look. I mean, I already know a few of these already been out. Some people already did a couple reviews, but you know, I only do my own. So of course, let's get into it. And like I said, these are from StockX, so you know, you will see the StockX tag on there. So this is gonna be my first look. And of course, you know, you got your protection padding there. Put that on the side over there. And these did come in that purple SB GR box. You see there. I did hear rumors that for 2026, I don't know how accurate this is, but I did hear rumors that they were gonna like cut the stock down low on SBs on the manufacturing. So I don't know, maybe that's why there's not so many pairs of SBs going around. It seems like the drops have been kind of scarce this year. Like, you know, of course, the Bronx Girl was like one of the last main. Then it was the Costco's, and then the Munis. And then in a week, the Deshaun Jordans are about to come out. So I am planning on picking those up in store. So be on the lookout for that video for sure. But let's get into the review. Let me read it here. It says Safety Orange and Wolf Gray. And that is Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And that is in my size there. You see that there? Let me try to focus. Make sure you can see that. Boom. And this is gonna be my first look. So get that out the way. So of course you got your regular green wood grain paper. Okay, that's the shoe right there. It's my first look. Let me pull it out. First impressions, and give it a good little toke. Smells like a real SB to me so far. Looking good so far. Going out. And of course, just like every other SB, it comes with this Nike SB sticker. Get that out of there. I'm not gonna lie, in hand these are looking pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm gonna be honest, like when I first seen these, I think these leaked last year, like a little bit before the year ended. I think these did leak, and you know, I wasn't really too crazy on them when I first saw them, because I wasn't sure how I was gonna like that split down the line. But let me actually show you here. Let me actually, you know me, man. First thing I do is gotta cut this off. I don't like that. I don't keep that on any of my shoes. But boom, here is the Nike SB Muni Fastpass. Definitely looks better in hand for sure. I know a lot of people were saying they don't know how they were feeling about the iridescent swoosh. I think it's pretty nice, honestly. Let's see. Let's take a good look here. Let me show the other shoe. That is the Muni SB Fastpass. So let me actually take these apart real quick so I can show some of the insoles here. Give me 1 second. Take that out. Take this one out as well. So since these did ship from the Netherlands, I'm guessing that these came from somewhere out there. Because I know a lot of the overseas skate shops did get these in early. So, and of course here in the United States we get everything last. But let me get to showing some of the little details here. I'll start off with the insoles. And of course, everyone should already kind of have an idea of what the Muni Fastpass is. It is part of the, see if you see there, you see the Nike SB with that kind of retro lettering there, and it has the Golden Gate bridges on the back for San Francisco, since the Muni Fastpass is based out of San Francisco public transit that they use out there. And I guess the story behind the shoe is, well, the Muni Fastpass is the card. I will try to insert a photo somewhere around here. See, but the Muni Fastpass is, you know, they're pretty much like their public transit card that they used to use to get on like the subway, train, and I think the bus. You know, let me see. Yeah, the light rail, the trolley, the buses and stuff like that. And then on the card it had that orange and brown split with that little foil holographic detail there. So that's what this is supposed to signify. You see there? It does have that like this is more like a nubuck, real short nubuck suede. Same thing with that orange. It's that short nubuck. You know, on the swoosh, it does have that, you know, that holographic, you know, shiny leather swoosh there. I mean, I guess it could be leather or pleather, more like pleather, honestly. And then you do have the brown laces. You have the orange Nike SB tongue. It's a little bit of a not too thick. It's more of a, on the mid size on the thickness on that tongue there. On the Nike SB tag, it is gray with the black Nike SB, and it does say Dunk Low Pro. Going down on the midsole, it is like it's not black, it's more of like a dark gray on that midsole with that like gray, silver gray sole. And it does have that safety orange Phylon insert there. And these do come with the silver grayish spare laces. I mean, I was kind of, you know, thinking about putting the silver. It might be a good little way to break it apart as far as the orange and the brown, but then I kind of like the way it looks with the brown laces in there. But of course, you know, I need to do my own lace up on these. But let's see, when were these manufactured? So on the manufacturing dates on the tag inside, it says from 7/30/2025 to 10/2/2025. So from about July to October, these were made last year. So yeah, tell me, what are you guys thinking on this pair? Did you guys pick this pair up? Did these land locally to you? Did your skate shop get these in? I know a lot of people didn't really get these in. Yeah, I haven't really seen too many people with these, honestly. It does have that Nike SB and that retro Muni font that they would have on like on the buses and stuff out there, the trolleys and all that. There's nothing under there. I mean, other than really, there's really not many details to go over. It's just that same, you know, that orange and brown split with this foil here, with the silver and gray. I mean, honestly though, I think it's a banger. It definitely grew on me since seeing it, since I seen it the first time. I know there is another pair that I've seen already. It's like a light blue and yellow pair. I forgot what month it's supposed to signify. I forgot. I know this one's supposed to be April of 2008. So if you look up the Muni Fastpass from April 2008, it will look like this. So, what are you guys' thoughts on this pair? Did you guys pick this pair up? Are you gonna pick it up? Did you pass on it? Are you gonna get the other pair? I don't know how many more of these Muni passes are gonna come out, because I know there's like, I think like 12 different ones, or maybe more. I think there's more. But yeah, this is April of 2008, and the blue and yellow pair, I forgot what month that is, but I did see that one, and I'm pretty sure that one's gonna come out, but I don't know when. Honestly, like, we've been getting pretty, like, we haven't really been getting any info on SB Dunks this year, like, other than the Deshaun's. What else is coming out, you know, really, like, I know I did see the Blue Tile. That's another one that I'm looking forward to, the Blue Tile SB. I'm not sure what else. There's not really, they've been they've been kind of like low-key on us this year with the SB drops. They've been more focused on the Jordan, seems like. But anyways, what do you guys think on this pair? Did you pick this pair up? Are you gonna pick it up? Yeah, I like this pair, honestly. Definitely a sleeper pair. I think it, you know, in due time, people are gonna kind of appreciate this shoe. So, I mean, hopefully we get some more Muni SBs. I forgot what other month I seen that would have been a fire colorway. I think it was like a dark green with a light green. I'd be interested in seeing that, how that would look. But yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking. Also want to let you guys know that like I said earlier, I will be doing a review on the Deshaun Jordans. That's next week. I already talked to my skate shop. Let me know that they're gonna get them in. So I already talked to a few of my boys. We're gonna go up there, and I don't know, I might record a little in-shop pickup. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes, you know, I like just doing the reviews, because in shop you're just walking around with the camera and people get all weird. But anyways, let me know what you guys are thinking on this pair. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate, you know, those have been hanging there with me, liking and stuff. Comments are always appreciated. Yeah, man, please help this channel grow by, you know, subscribing, liking, stuff like that, man. I really want to grow this channel, man. But, you know, please, if you got any comments, you want to see any other shoes, any other reviews, you know, I might try to start doing some on foot, you know, B-roll footage and stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. You know, I want to cut this short because it's already getting a little long. I don't want to get this video, I don't want to have this video too long because then it takes forever to upload. But yeah, I want to get this video edited, uploaded, and, you know, up on YouTube. So I appreciate those who've been watching with me. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that. Man, follow my Instagram. I got Instagram too, if I don't get banned on there. You know, for the those that know me, know that, you know, whatever. Anyways, I'll cut this video short, but I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and peace.